Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to make this adorable amigurumi that is taking over social media. It is super cute, and you can turn this versatile pattern into a unique keychain, a cute bag charm, or even a statement brooch. The best part? This tutorial is designed for speed. I'm going to skip the repeat process and focus on the magic joins that make this look like a real twisted balloon dog. Let's join the viral crochet wave. We start with the tail segment, begin with the magic ring. I will show you how I make first 2 segments, and we're going to make these balls based on the patterns on the screen. Pause the video while making them. Beware after you finish each tube, don't cut your yarn. We are going to directly attach it to the next segment without breaking the chain. Beware, don't stuff too much fiber filling for each segments. It will be easier to twist later. For the rest segments shown in this chart, we're going to keep the video moving. Making these final segments is the exact same sphere and tube method you just learned before. All the specific row details for these parts are shown right here on the screen, so you can pause and follow along. We're going to spend our last few minutes slowing down to show you how to do the actual twisting these joints. Now we finished the 10 segments, time to twist to a dog shape. Twist 8, 9, 10 together to be a doggy's head. Pull through the rest to shape the body part. You can see the dog's front legs. And twist the last 3 segments to be the dog's back legs and tail. Add your keychain loop, brooch pin, or just keep it as a cute charm. Making these in different colors makes for an amazing gift basket. If you'd like a bigger version one, you can check up this step-by-step version video here. Please hit that like button to support my channel so I can keep bringing you viral trends. And subscribe for more free patterns. Happy crocheting!